When Guam started experiencing all of these really severe bleaching, we really had a whole lot of death. We had an entire year's worth of really extreme low tides, which brought a lot of corals out of the water. It killed them as well. The nursery was at first a refuge for the staghorn corals. The idea is to populate these structures, to grow out, to create these juvenile colonies, and then to prune the colonies back and to outplant the fragments into areas that we have carefully selected, being sites that may actually be good for their survival. This particular group of species also fragments and they create new colonies. When you think about restoration, you're thinking starting with something fairly small with a lot of space to grow with good water conditions and good substrate. This is why it's possible. Corals grow and they never really stop growing. They may slow down as they get older. We don't really know. This is very experimental, it's very novel, and we just have never looked at this to this extent. This might be one of the only things that we can do.